You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American singer and songwriter, country singer. If you want to learn more music celebrity names, including from country music, stay tuned. We're going to listen to her saying her own name. Listen carefully here.
Megan Moroney.
Oh, that's her speaking in a concert. Let's hear it one more time.
My name is Megan Moroney.
My name is Megan Moroney. Megan Moroney. And now you know it's easy. English pronunciation, Megan Moroney. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.